In this lesson, you are going to become a master of verb to open in Spanish present tense. The verb to open in Spanish is
abrir,
and this verb is a regular Spanish verb that finishes in IR. We taught you these regular verbs in previous videos. If you didn't watch it, you can find a link in the description. Let's start with a quick view of the grammar. I open.
yo abro,
You open.
tú abres,
He, she opens.
él, ella abre,
We open.
nosotros abrimos,
You open.
vosotros abrís,
They open.
ellos, ellas abren.
As you see, this verb has the same endings or conjugations as the regular verbs. So let's start with the examples and vocabulary. He always opens the door of the car.
Siempre abre la puerta del coche.
Does your mother open the cans?
¿Tu madre abre las latas?
They don't open the eyes.
Ellos no abren los ojos.
What time do you open?
¿A qué hora abre?
The library opens at 12.
La biblioteca abre a las 12.
I don't open new bank accounts.
No abro nuevas cuentas de banco.
If you want to learn Spanish, follow the link in the description, and you will find our complete course with more than 600 lessons, 300 exercises, more than 60 hours content, and a community where you can ask questions and our teachers will answer you, and meet people learning Spanish to practice. Only $249 lifetime. If you want to continue learning for free, just click here and you will find the next free lesson.